So as we all know, this non-timber forest products, in short it is known as NTFPs. It is also known as minor forest products. These are the forest products other than the timbers available or grown naturally in the jungle. And this Nagaland and Meghalaya, the eastern Himalayan states, they have the plenty of non-timber forest products. Then this particular study, the main objective was to identify the commonly available non-timber forest product in the study area, and also the trial had been made here to document the collection and utilization pattern of the non-timber forest products, and also to determine the value of the non-timber forest products. An exhaustive field study was undertaken by the researcher with 250 numbers of forest dwelling villagers from 20 villages of Nagaland and Meghalaya during the year 21-23, and our finding showed that almost 47 numbers of non-timber forest products, plant-based as well as animal-based, are available in those studies areas. And those non-timber forest products were classified scientifically based on their uses, and most of them were used as nourishment purposes followed by therapeutic uses. Despite this India's rich biodiversity, the economic value of many non-timber forest products remains inadequately recognized. Through this study, we identified almost 47 numbers of commonly available NTFPs. At the same time, we have documented their collection and utilization pattern and assessed their economic value, highlighting their importance for rural livelihood and need for their sustainable utilization and management. We have also documented the plant parts of the NTFPs that are used for consumption, their seasonal availability, the frequency of collection, the average time spent on collection trips, and the distance traveled by the villagers to collect the NTFPs. So bamboo shoot was the highest return earning NTFP in the state of Meghalaya, while black pepper is the highest earning return. It is collected from the state of Nagaland. As we all know that Northeast India is home to more than 33% of India's total flora, and it supports over 100 indigenous communities that rely on forest products for sustenance and income. Although India is a home to about 3,000 NTFP species, only 126 have been identified and developed marketably. So highlighting the need for their scientific identification and economic valuation. The findings also highlighted that the value of NTFPs extends beyond market returns to include ecological services, subsistence needs, and cultural significance, underscoring their importance to tribal communities. So this was the result of a piece of research work carried out one of my research scholar, Mr. Limasune Ajikum, under my supervision in the Department of Agriculture Economics, Nagaland University, Majifema campus. This was also assisted by a group of faculty members from this school.